Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Hasi. For today's video, we are going to talk about IPO Genie. But before that, let me remind you, this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment and review purposes only. So always do your own research and invest what you can afford to lose always. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, right now you are seeing the pre-sale webpage of the IPO Genie. So pre-sale now is live. Join pre-sale and secure your tokens at exclusive rates. Don't miss the opportunity to be part of the future. Almost 5 hours before the price will be increased. Okay, so USD raised almost 70k USDT or 89% of the token has been released, guys. So select payment method. The card is coming soon, but you can select either ETH, BNB, USD, or SOL. You can also use the Matic Polygon network right here, USDC, and USDT, guys. For example, you want to buy $100 of IPO token, you will receive a 998k IPO token, guys. So how to buy this token? So easily purchase IPO in just a few steps. You can use MetaMask, Cold Wallet, any wallet that you can choose, guys. Step Wallet. So connect via Wallet Connect if needed. Choose currency, ETH, BNB, Matic, USDT, BSD, or USDC, guys. And then you can buy your IPO. Make sure that your wallet has been funded. Enter the amount confirmed in your wallet. Pay gas fee always. So receive tokens after the airdrop. So the track assets in your wallet. So not for everyone, that's the point. IPO Genie is built for serious capital allocators, not for hype chaser, guys. So guys, why us? So Web3 Wall Street, IPO Genie gives you early stage access to the private deals that shape global markets previously reserved for institutions like Square, Berkshire Hathaway, and BlackRock. So why IPO Genie exists? The world runs on the private deals. IPO Genie levels the playing field. So resource and private elite investment opportunities, guys. So we did the work. You just hold IPO. So invest and forget, guys. We break the doors. You walk in first. So legal and regulatory structuring. MC KYC onboarding on their application, guys. So deal vetting by experience analytic. Also, guys, how it works. So invest like an institution in 4 steps. Hold IPO first. Your token unlocks deal access. Curated opportunities, the second one. Private institution back. And the third one, invest with confidence. One click allocation, no friction. And the last one is track, earn, and influence, guys. Okay? So you need the connection to leave your wallet to read 100-page pitch deck. So work with the 500 million plus asset under management, 1,200 plus accredited investors, 340% average portfolio or ROI, 2.3 billion in founder exits, 50 plus active deals from seed to Series C. The pre-sale now has a 24/7 deal flow, guys. And it's powered by MetaMask, Ethereum, Solana, Tron, Adobe, guys. The top tier blockchain network, guys. Okay, so what's next for IPO Genie? So IPO Genie isn't just opening private market. It has AI powered deals, discovery, white labeled fund as a service, IPO index funds, behavior based staking rewards. Also they have deal builder marketplace, IPO back insurance, and pools. On the white paper, guys, this is the IPO token and utility, a token with real world yield, governance, and access rights. IPO is your key to the table, powering access, rewards, governance, and protection. So what IPO unlocks? So tier, deal access, revenue participation, governance influence, staking rewards, and downside protection. It also has access tiers. So from bronze to platinum. Bronze has 2,500 IPO required staking, guys. And if you reach platinum, 110,000 USDT staking, you will have access to all deals plus anytime allocation plus investment insurance, guys. So why it matters? Unlike speculative utility token, IPO is tied directly to real assets and measurable outcomes. Holding it means more than trading on price. It's your stake in a transparent, compliant, and performance-driven venture capital model. So every deal directly fuels the value of IPO hold and prosper. Technology and compliance, key infrastructure component, built-in compliance, growth strategy, and revenue model, guys. So if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel. This is Crypto Hasig. Guys, again, bye-bye.